Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to set up an Omnisend workflow successfully in 2023. So go to your browser now, type omnisend.com, then open this link in new tab. When you open the link in new tab, go to your Shopify store or your Wix store or your WordPress store. Then you click on apps. See, usually Omnisend is email marketing. Then you click on it, add the tab to the store. Once you have the add to the store, and you set up your Omnisend account successfully, which I already did. So now I'm going to go down to my dashboard of Omnisend. So Omnisend, this is my dashboard of Omnisend. The next thing now to do is to click to create a workflow. Then click on automation. So guys, new workflow. Click on this button, new workflow. So guys, you see this? There are different type of workflow here. Welcome, abundant cart, order confirmation, abundant cart value slip, back in stock, abundant product, abundant engagement slip. So the first thing I want to customize workflow now is welcome. Okay, so guys, this is how it works. Whatever I edit in this place, wait for 1 minute, then the welcome message will come. So guys, this workflow will show to every customer that purchased on your store, on your Shopify store. So this is the first section. Everything I want to add is added. So the second section here is wait for 1 minute. Okay, I want to wait for 2, let's just try 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Okay, you see, there's immediately here minutes. There's so many options here, guys. I added immediately. So immediately a buyer places a purchase on the store, they will get the workflow in here. So here is a 50% discount off first order. So welcome to the account name. My account name. So guys, I already added my account name here. The content I want to use is here. The second one, sender's name, which is there. So the next thing now is language. Language I speak is English, fluent English. So, and that's what it's all about in the store. The targeted audience of the store is speaking English. So now the next thing to do is to update. Every question you have to ask your buyer, you have to ask a lot of questions before you start it. You have to ask for your buyer's targeted audience. You have to ask for what language they're speaking, what language, and more. Talk more like that. So now, start workflow. Okay guys, so this is what I added in here. Then I'll click on update. So the next thing now is I need to save it. Okay, it's already saved. So exit. Then I will go down to next. So guys, I want to publish the workflow now. Let them finish the workflow. Then publish change. Guys, the next thing to do now is to create an abandoned cart to customize workflow. So guys, if you wish to edit all these things, it's good, and the options that are here are also great. So now I'm not going to really edit anything because why? I just want to show you how it works. If you want to increase or decrease these hours, like I want to add 12 hours here, your cart needs you. So there's a lot of things here that you have to check one by one. Okay, discount, I'm going to add 50% here. Last call, we are giving a 50% off the item you like. So now the next thing to do is to update, save and close. So now the next workflow we click on is order confirmation, customize workflow. So guys, you see, this is the first section of the workflow. Thank you for your order. This is how it's going to look like to the buyer. Then click on update, save and continue and close. So I'm going to click on this new workflow again, because we want to create a complete workflow that we keep taking them from one place to another. Abandon cart value. So guys, this is a different workflow. This is ship, split if cart sum greater than 2. So that's the option here. Yes, wait an hour, no, wait an hour. So depending on the buyer's response, to send that email, I will have my email. Okay, so the same thing here also. Then wait for 11 hours. So I'm going to add 12 hours. Same thing also in the second one. Yeah. So here also access for my email. The same thing the next one also. So you see, it's really longer. Hurry, your card is about to expire. Hurry, sorry, I need to say hurry. So this means these call to action words will actually get the attention of your buyer. Then you click on update. So guys, we have successfully set up all our workflows there. So if you like my video, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, comment, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.